Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on basic mid-game tactics. This should be the first video of chapter 9, which deals with the tactic of sacrificing material. Now, sacrificing material is very common in Xiangqi as compared to international chess, and you can see it probably in many games. And the ancient manuals, the puzzles in the ancient manuals are full of them. Now, in the book, they subdivided the tactic of sacrificing material into several different categories. Now, I've translated the relevant text and presented them in the slides in front, and please feel free to go through them at your own pace. So without further ado, let us begin today's example. Quick analysis would show that Red would have two chariots, one horse, one cannon, a full guard, two pawns. Black would have the exact same number of material. Now, at this point in time, Black's cannon and chariot are located at a rather remote corner. It will not be able to do much or attack or be a threat to Red immediately. Black's centered horse is also another glaring weakness, and it's very vulnerable to attacks by Red's horse. Now, at this point in time, the only threat that Black had would be the chariot threatening to capture the red horse, which has nowhere to go except over here, maybe to offer trade off horses, after which Black can resolve his situation. So, after much consideration, Red decided to use the tactic of sacrificing material. So, for his first move, he played r8 plus 1. Now, with r8 plus 1, the chariot is sacrificed so that the horse can attack. And once the horse reached this position, it was prepared to go for the elbow horse checkmate or the pale corner horse checkmate. And Black would be forced to play h5 plus 7. Now, if let's say Black tried to retreat with c8 minus 5, Red will continue with r3 equals to 2 to block the cannon and still threaten to either checkmate with h6 plus 4 or h6 plus 8. Black can only resolve one, but not both threats, and Red would win. So that is why e5 plus 7 would be the correct move, and Black would try to offer his chariot back in response. However, Red would simply go for the check, can capture the horse instead of capturing the chariot. With this move, Red will be prepared to deliver a checkmate with r3 plus 1. So at this point in time, the king will be moved to safety with k5 equals to 4. Now it would be a bad idea to play r2 equals to 6, even though it can block and resolve the threat of the red chariot, the check by the red chariot for the moment. But Red could counter with h7 minus 6, deliver a check, forcing the king away, and Red will now gain material and still be prepared to deliver a check for the win. So again, Red will still have a winning position. So that is why Black will play k5, k5 equals to 4. Red will deliver a check, forcing the king to the cannon rank. a5 plus 4 is not viable because Red will deliver a check at this point in time. The advisor cannot move, so the only viable move for Black would be r2 equals to 4, of which Red will play h6 plus 8 for double check. The horse is delivering a check, so is the cannon, and this will be a checkmate. So r4 plus 1 was played, but it will not save the Black king. A check. Again, the chariot is the only legal piece available, and Black would now deliver a check with h6 plus 8. This will be a discovered check by the cannon. After this move was played, Black cannot continue because even if he captured the cannon, Red will checkmate. This will be another sacrifice of material by Red. So that is why Red will now win the situation, and after that, this was possible after sacrificing the check for the first move. And you can see it in the final position. Thus far from the moves seen, Black is led by the nose. He must play the moves given, otherwise he would lose. So this is also one of the characteristics of the sacrifice tactic. So hoping that after sacrificing material, uh, the enemy can only make predetermined moves. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's short video. And if you do like the work that I've been doing, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.